Prove that sin x over 1 plus cos x is equal to 1 minus cos x over sin x. So to do this, we're going to work with the left hand side and prove it to be equal to the right hand side. So left hand side is the same sin x we have divided by the sum of 1 and cos x, like that. So what we're going to do here is to work this out. We're going to look at the denominator for this quotient that we have, and then this same denominator that we have, we're going to simply multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, that is by simply changing the sign. So instead of us writing 1 plus cos x, we're going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos x. So write this part the way it is. Then let's now multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, that is, this becomes 1 minus cos x over 1 minus cos x. So now the numerator, we just write it as the product of the two. So this will be sin x. Then in parentheses we have 1 minus cos x over. Now looking at the denominator, the product that we have is simply the result of difference of two squares, which is 1 squared that we have there and also cos squared, but these two are subtracting. 1 squared is the same as 1, so the square can go, then minus cos, we'll square this one like that. And now from what we have on the denominator, which is 1 minus cos squared, this is simply obtained from this identity, which is the sum of sin squared and cos squared, which ends up giving us a 1. Very famous identity under trig. So now if you subtract both sides with cos squared, it will result into sin squared x equal to 1 minus cos squared x. Alright, so this is what we have. Now if you look at this 1 minus cos squared, it's the same one that we have there, and this is the same as sin squared x. So meaning where there's 1 minus cos squared, we simply substitute with the sin squared. So write the numerator the way it is. Then on the denominator, 1 minus cos squared simply substituted by sin squared x, like that. So write over sin squared x. So we'll write our numerator the way it is. Now denominator sin squared means that sin is multiplying with itself 2 times. So we'll say sin x times sin x. So one of the sign will cancel. I'm going to use a different color. So sin x on top, this one goes with 1 of this, and hence we remain with 1 minus cos x over sin x. This is our result, which we have on the other side. So let me highlight this using white, like this. Alright, so this is what we have. So we can go up and check. That is our result on the other side. Thank you very much for